Yeah, hey, look, there's chat. How fun.
Should be a toggle. Like it should be off by default, but you can enable it.
It's like, luckily, I don't need like basically anything to work with my channel because it's just linked to OBS. Yeah, drop frames. I expect that. My internet sucks. Alright, so how many discs in am I? I think all of them. Yeah, that's disk 5. I'm gonna go disconnect the floppy. C:. Now I should be able to run setup from right here.
You find it annoying that I have to keep deafening myself?
Yeah.
I can't really avoid that right now. Which is why I told Diamond Creeper VC when I get home. Works better.
Of course. So, fail. So I have to use the fucking floppy disks. Because they won't let you just run it from the directory on your hard disk. It's been way too much time setting that up. Right. Yeah. Because I'm streaming, I might as well mention new computer, whatever. I don't give a fuck. Continue. Enter. Continue.
You have a picture of your PC again?
Do.
I want to compare it to mine. Like cable management.
Mine is a pre-built. Of course, it'll have like the best PL management it can have for the custom design case.
Oh yeah. No, some have terrible cable management.
Well, it's an Asus, so.
You mean Diamond Creeper's sus laptop?
No, it's an Asus ROG.
Yeah, no.
His is not an
Asus ROG. Huh?
His is not
I know.
Asus ROG. Mine is an Asus
I know.
ROG. With Corsair peripherals.
Oh, I put a piece of tape on Diamond Creeper's laptop, so it says sus.
I don't have a printer, so no.
A printer? Don't you have to have like a print server or something?
No, the printers handle that.
Back in the day, you had like servers?
Yeah, back in the days of Windows 1.0, you needed a print server. But now, the printers handle that for you.
Printers on their own server.
Hooray. Win. Oh god.
Printers on their own
Days of my
server.
PC being a potato are over.
Yes. Let me just, Control-Shift-Insert. Oh, right. That's Control. Control-Shift-Insert. The hell is the Control-Delete? Tell me the Control-Delete key, VMware. Oh. Yeah, I just hit the button. It's easier. Oh, right. Okay, so Windows 1.0 is, broken. So that's fun. Like, I type win. Well, first of all, there is no win, so cd Windows win. Like, thanks for the corruption, Microsoft. Now, Control-Shift-Insert. Alt-Shift-Insert. Control-Shift-Insert. Okay, well that worked. Control-Shift-Delete worked. It's
funny that I'm asked which i7. I'm like, it's not be a 6th gen i7.
Alt-Shift-Delete? No, it's Control-Alt-Shift-Delete. Thanks, VMware, for making that incredibly confusing.
I don't think what specify that works fine.
Cool, I don't care. Let's grab WinWorld here. I'm not doing that yet. 2.0. 3. Hey, I can finally use 3.5-inch discs. Downloading it from Canada. Or as I like to say, downloading it from Canada. I know all
An idiot.
all of the potentially two Canadian viewers that are watching my videos are gonna be very mad at that.
Oh, it's funny how you said, hey, Nathan, go kick Shuffle Diamond PC. Then hit Windows L.
Yeah. Do you wanna know what Windows L does?
Yeah, I know, locks it.
Yes.
I know, but I know the password, so...
Yes,
Boy,
but also I didn't
Flash.
know that at the time. Also, Diamond Creeper,
Uh-huh.
change your fucking passwords.
He won.
Alright, have fun.
Where's your PC? I'm trying to find it. It says, the days of my PC being a potato are over, but I can't even see the PC.
Yeah, because I didn't send a screenshot on that message.
Huh? Yeah, you didn't see a screenshot of that message, but...
Yeah, no.
Picture of that message. I'm trying to find the picture.
You have to scroll a bit down.
Oh, your HP laptop says replace battery.
Yeah, it doesn't anymore. Somehow.
Oh, you folded up the potato.
Yeah, it is the potato.
And then it becomes spicy.
Yeah, but now the battery's fine, apparently.
Okay. I would have trusted.
I don't know how, but apparently the battery's okay now. I don't have a
Apparently it just undid a chemical reaction.
Well,
I found the picture.
Well, the HP support doesn't say it's fine, and it's storing a charge again, so... Yeah, I don't know. Probably something to do with me draining and recharging the battery. Basically cycling the battery.
Okay. I looked at the PC. The RAM sticks look very bare bone. The cooler looks like it too. It looks like an AMD cooler.
Well, it's an Intel.
There's an extra cooler for your extra cable for your GPU. Same with mine. Your GPU also looks very bare bones.
Yeah, of course. It's a pre-built.
Yeah. And the motherboard looks really small for the case.
That's kind of expected.
Yeah. But apart from that, there's like a knot in the cable up there. But apart from that, it's fine.
Well, you have not seen behind the back panel.
What does it look like there? Atrocious?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to see the back of mine? I put it in Discord. You can have a look.
Sure, it'll be on the stream.
That's not the best picture I have. I have a better picture.
It looks very similar to mine, honestly.
Huh?
That does look very similar to mine in the back. Just all the cables shoved in one little corner.
No, that's where we're supposed to stuff them when the power supply goes.
Well, that's also where the hard drive got stuffed.
Yeah, but I don't have a hard drive. So
Yeah,
that's not my problem.
Okay, let's see. Is Windows 2.0 broken? No. Windows 2.0, perfectly fine, and I have a mouse. Means I can play Reversi. Gotta say, I am somewhat okay at Reversi now.
Okay, that's a better picture. I use the cable ties that get the zip ties. Or cable ties, whatever you want to call them. I use those. And I kind of like tied all the cables together. Because that's probably what you want. And used the ties that came in the case. The two Velcro ties. Hook and loop. And also, I have SSD trays in the back. I can fit two SSDs in the back of the case.
Nice.
Just regular old SSDs. And I took out the hard drive case so I could put my PSU in.
That definitely seems like the case was not meant for the hardware you have.
What do you mean?
The case was not designed for the hardware.
You think the hardware was overkill for the case?
Yeah, pass. Wait.
No, it's fine. It's only the power supply is too big because it's an 850-watt power supply.
Wait, did the AI just pass? I lost by 14. Well, that's because I'm playing against an AI. Diamond Creeper.
Wait, what?
Re-download Windows Live Messenger. I want to beat you at Reversi.
What?
Diamond Creeper, re-download Windows Live Messenger. I want to beat you at Reversi.
Windows Live Messenger? What's that?
That Diamond Creeper. Escar got that chat.
Hey, how does that work?
They revived
I'm
Windows
try
Live
it.
Messenger.
Who did?
The people over at Escargot. I'm in their fucking Discord.
People at who?
Escargot.
Escargot.
I'll just send the fucking link.
Oh. Escargot.chat.
Yeah. You make an account over there.
533 online. What's old is new again.
Yeah. Yeah, Windows Live Messengers existed for way too long. Let me just quickly start it. What the fuck? Oh, right. Let me go get it again.
What happened?
I uninstalled it because I did a stupid involving Windows Essentials.
English, yes.
Uh,
2009?
actually, I'm gonna get 8.5.
Okay.
Run the MSI.
That also means snail, right?
Yeah. What do you think their icon
In
is?
French. In French, right?
What do you think the icon in their banner shows?
A snail?
Yeah.
Is it a French company?
They're kind of from all over. Like,
What server is that?
that's their server. Literally.
Oh. Are you in the Texel server? Please join it. It's called Texel Club.
I don't know what that server is, and I.
Bunch of stuff. You can run mouse pads and stuff.
Whatever. I'm gonna go run the run after install I already have. Messengers. Windows Live Messenger.
Movies.
The fuck do you want, Windows? Okay, I know.
Okay, where do you get it?
This is not a fucking malware.
What's malware?
It's yelling at me about Messenger Plus being a malware because it has an adware thing in there. 2009 probably isn't the best option because you have to do some bullshit with compatibility.
Adware with it?
No.
Wait, it has an adware in it.
It has an offer for adware in an installer for an add-on to Windows Live Messenger.
Wait, but wasn't that there when Windows Live Messenger was a thing?
This site, no, and that specific piece.
No, like when
Windows
Windows
Live
Messenger.
No. Existed back
Which
when
one's the one?
Windows XP.
Oh.
Yeah, the EXE.
Yeah, when Windows.
The run after install.
Yeah. When that was Windows XP, Windows didn't think it was malware.
Well, back then it was called MSN Messenger, and no, because it was just an optional offer for a sponsor program that allowed the people who made the add-on software to make money. Okay, wait, don't run the run after install yet.
It's like this stupid thing that what is it? No. It's when
Click.
FileZilla asks you to install Brave.
Go, Darren Creeper, go back a page.
It's like some software they ask you to install a web browser like
Click
Yahoo or
Patcher. Download.
I will rejoin later.
What's more that someone install one?
Because that one is from a quite while ago. It's out of date. Doesn't work very well. Just run the Escargot Patcher. It works better.
I'm gonna put my down bit on that. Alright.
Whatever. Yeah, you have to unblock it. Blah 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 came from a Mac.
Does that work in there?
Yep. Patch all. And that's done. And now go log in with your account that you already made.
What's on?
Windows Live Messenger. Yep, go log in. It won't be using your actual email. You type in like your... Let me figure out your username here because I can pull it up. Yep, that's not what I wanted. It installed perfectly fucking fine. Signing in. Alright, so your user.
What is it?
1 second, let me edit your contact. Diamond Creeper at escargot.chat. Or just Diamond Creeper in your case. And then you don't need to put the at part in there. Just Diamond Creeper, and you should know the password. It's one of your many passwords.
What happens if I got my logo?
They will just ask you for your username or email.
But my email is got the chat. How do I check the stupid email?
We using your regular email. Just use your fucking username. And confirm your humanity. Every plant that's hanging from the ceiling and not on a table. Love how we didn't question the backrooms plant. I see you're trying to use Firefox because Google is breaking ad blockers. Because, yeah, in case you didn't know, Google's breaking ad blockers in Chrome. How fun! Why do you think I use Firefox?
I'm updating the browser to Web 3.
The Manifest v3 thing. Yeah, that's gonna break ad blockers. Because they get rid of the web requests API.
I'm having a feeling that you block and God and some other ones will update very quickly.
Yeah, they're also gonna have a very hard time being ad blockers.
This block HTML thing?
Yes, but now the web requests API is gone, so they have a very hard time doing their job.
I need to have fun.
Alright, I'm just gonna go download DOS 6.22.
I'm modifying my phone to look like iOS.
Great,
Like
you're gonna end up making it extremely fucking slow again. DOS 6.22 upgrade, because I already have DOS 5.
It only slows down if the storage is so used up. And apparently I don't get that question.
How fun. It's probably your own fault.
Where is the app? Oh, it's finally coming in.
Let's end the Windows session now. Setup. Oh.
On.
I didn't change the disk. I should probably set up my thing so I can... So I'm going to open Cider. I'm going to set up a different application audio capture, not the beta one.
Welcome to Nebuchadnezzar.
No, actually, I need to use the non-beta thing. Need to use the other one from the plugin. And then just capture all audio except sections from selected. Fuck. How do I make it not capture? Oh, wait. I'm stupid. Let me just stop using this desktop audio thing, and I'll just use these application audio outputs that exist. Because, you know, OBS added that in a recent update. I should probably just...
Cool.
Remove. Add another thing. That one. There, so now VMware Audio should be in there, and I can listen to my music without any problems. because my desktop audio is muted. Yep. Hey look, Diamond Creeper has just signed in. Now, we are playing Reversi. Just this program is spelled correctly. Now, we are playing Reversi.
Actually, I need to.
Diamond Creeper.
Um.
I get a copyright strike, whatever. I honestly don't give a fuck. Actually, no, I care if it's a strike. I don't care if it's a claim. It's not my fault OBS won't let me capture, like, literally anything except. And even then, I need some other thing. I'm stupid. So if I get rid of Discord audio and the VMware audio, I can just use the application audio capture and just anything but the two I need it to not capture. Everything except the guess let's get Cider in there. Cancel properties. Or so everything except that. And I'm just gonna task manager this shit. Oh right, they changed fucking task manager. Why the hell? There's your fucking
Yeah, the change. Yeah, I know.
waterfox.exe. There. So now, with this, Diamond Creeper speak.
A.
Okay. I can't pause my stream, but I can play audio from my EM bot. And let me just, because I know this isn't copyrighted. Hooray, I'm a successful man. I have to test it. I'm only gonna play like half a second. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're playing Reversi. Good.
Not loading.
I'll cancel it and I'll send you a new invite. Takes a minute. Actually, click on games at the top. Click on Reversi. Alright, this is slow between us. Yeah, now it's copying. It's taking a minute. There. Reversi. Game started. Waiting for Diamond Creeper to make a move. It's my turn.
What is this?
Just click on anywhere where it'll let you click. It's Reversi.
I don't know how you do this game, but What is this game about? I've never
flip
played
the
this game
tiles.
before.
You flip the tiles and they change colors, and whoever's on whichever color wins. Whoever is the most
How do you
wins.
do?
Hello, Kiwi. We're playing Reversey.
Playing what?
Reversey.
What's that?
Yeah, I didn't either. I just started
Watch
playing it.
either of our streams.
Wait, why do you... What the... Random, how do you see both of them?
Share my
I'm
screen.
just watching a screen share, and I have my entire display shared.
Ah, yeah.
I might know what's
Mm.
to do, but it's not letting me do it.
Yeah, you have to click somewhere where it will let you click.
This is very slow. Yeah, like a timer or something?
No, it just goes till we win. It goes till someone wins.
And how do you win? Do I have to
Yeah.
get rid of all your
Oh, by the way, beep beep beep.
Just basically, whenever whoever has the most tiles when the board is filled wins.
What?
It'll just give you any possible path.
Oh,
I beat someone who proclaimed themselves a master of Reversey. That should tell you I am pretty good at this.
So how do you play?
yeah, I don't know how this works.
You just click on the tiles it lets you click on.
Oh.
And then whoever has the most pieces, and when the board is full, wins.
Huh.
I'm giving him 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
You know, for all Diamond Creeper knows, I could be going easy on him.
That's not much. What? I'm getting confused on how this game works.
Go from 23 to 18.
Random.
Yeah?
The server's up.
Okay.
What server's up?
I'm playing Reversey.
The Death Store server.
Yeah, I know I'm playing Reversey, and also doing something with VMware. That's what
I
That's why I'm
see.
streaming on That's why I'm streaming on YouTube right now. But just
Ah.
taking a break to beat Diamond Creeper at Reversey.
Mm.
And by beat I mean absolutely destroy him at Reversey.
Alright, so you created your account in 2018. Nice. Diamond 2020.
What do you expect? He's had like 25 accounts.
Well, the thing is, my account was made in 2020. But even though I've had Discord for more than a year. For more than like 3 years.
Yeah, and you've had multiple accounts.
But only had like 3. What are you listening to?
I'm actually not listening to anything.
Listen along with Diamond. I'm gonna listen to what he's listening to.
Pretty sure that requires Spotify.
Apparently he's listening to something.
Is it my turn? Whatever.
Hmm.
This is a slow game.
Yep. It's always fun when I literally have 10 more points than you. That move ain't gonna last very long. Bad move.
Well, I don't know where else to click.
Can't click down there. No paths. See, now that was a somewhat okay move. No, you will be called a fool.
Mhm.
Who
Ha!
won?
Gay girl.
Who won?
You did.
I don't know who won.
By Jove, a little
I
bit,
did.
you won. I clicked restart.
Whose turn is it?
Yours. You're white, I'm red. Just like before. And I will immediately be cutting your pieces in half.
Okay, I think I know how to play this game now.
Let's see.
But you're gonna give up.
Hmm.
Nice try, but I just erased that move.
It's done.
I guess it does count if you run out of pieces as a win for me.
How can you run out of pieces?
Me flipping all your pieces. Also, it's your turn.
Yes.
Love, I'm just here undoing your previous moves. No, just cut through all of your moves.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Come here. I think that's gonna be a no. Mm-hmm. I just love when you give me a chance to limit your pieces. Nothing you go straight down.
Ace to dad.
Mm-hmm.
Cut that off. No. Make your move. It'll probably be a fool's move. Not that I literally have 20 more points than you. Now your two sections of pieces could not be further apart.
Oh yeah, some more mods got put on the server.
Nice. Nice, I didn't ask,
Daily
though.
need,
Like I said, I didn't
daily
ask.
needs,
Like I
and
said, I didn't
another
ask.
thing.
Like I said, I didn't ask.
Like I said, fuck you.
I think I'm gonna win. There's no recovering. When there's this few pieces. Game over. I win. Rematch?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna go back to doing my thing. Gonna go ahead and hit read only. I would like to not make an uninstall disk, thank you. Fucking. Alright, I'm just gonna make a text file and label it fuckyou.image. Oh, not a folder. Text document. The idea is,
Yes.
the idea is it'll think that that's an actual thing. And you're gonna make it not read only. This disk is not usable. Control.
I'm learning CMD commands.
I don't care. Give me the fucking comments.
The hell is this?
I'm just gonna go ahead and F3. Yeah, look, I can't fucking... I'm not gonna do that shit. /G.
Oh! The fun command.
I don't want any fucking uninstall disks. Thank you. It's the only issue I've had so far. There, disk 2. Now, disk 3. How simple can it be? Please remove all disks from all floppy disk drives. Stop beeping at me. DOS 6.22. Starting MS-DOS. Hi, Mem is testing extended memory.
Oh, okay.
And then, from Windows, I'm going to install Windows 3.0. Then I'll install 3.1. Then I'll install 3.11. And then I'll go to 95. And no, I'm not going to skip ME. I'm going to go ME 2000 XP. That is technically the order. I don't know. The order I'm going to go with. Okay, so first, Alt FX, Win. Oh, CD Windows, Win. There. Now Control Alt. I should already have MS-DOS 3 downloaded, but given this is me we're talking about, I don't. Not MS-DOS 3, but Windows 3. You get what I mean. Windows 3.0/3.1. Yeah, I'm gonna get 3.1, 3.0, and then 3.1, then 3.11. Everyone skips 3.0 in these because they can. I don't. First time I did this, I did, but then again, the first time I did it as a fun project to do on my own. This time, it's a fun project for me to actually give a fuck about. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about those CMD commands. It's called trial and error. Ever heard of it? Throw stuff at a wall, see if it sticks. Alright, disk01.img. Now I would like to enter the A drive, retry. Oh, right, I need to reconnect it. So the one issue with VMware, it doesn't reconnect when you switch the disk. Now, setup.exe. Okay, I will just exit Windows and run this from DOS. Perform the upgrade. Disk 2. There's only 7 disks. And yes, I'm going to install 95 from disk. I don't have any printers. I don't want any online documents. I told you to stop beeping at me. Okay, I'm not insane. I'm not gonna install 95 from fucking floppy. It's this. I know I just contradicted myself by saying I'm going to, and then I said, I'm not crazy, I'm not going to. But my sanity is questionable. After all, I'm upgrading from MS-DOS 5 to Windows 10, which past experience tells me is impossible. You'll get stuck at Windows 8. But through the power of magic, magic and me having a new computer, and the fact I'm doing this in VMware instead of VirtualBox, yeah, that might help. Just the fact I'm
Just
running in
command them
VMware and not VirtualBox might help. Also, what'd you say?
Nothing.
Alright. Yes, it will scan for existing things. Yeah, we got a couple things from Windows 1 and 2.
Going AFK back soon.
Alright. Non-system disk or disk error. Alright. Alt FX win. Oh, hey, that actually looks good. Now, I'm in Windows 3. I think this is where VMware starts giving you. Oh, right. I'm in a power shutdown guest. This is still labeled as the DOS VM, so I need to make this Windows 3.0. It says 3.1. Whatever, I'm upgrading to 3.1 anyway. Don't do that right now. English. The removal of the reverse E game. Okay, they didn't actually remove it if you already had it. I know, because I was able to keep reversey through Windows 7. Like, I'm not even joking. I was able to keep reversey through Windows 7. Alright, so I'll toss that there. I will go ahead and bonk key. Oh. I will go ahead and disconnect and then bonk a key. Alt FX. Win. So, Windows 3.0. Control Alt. Install tools. Sure you're logged in. How would I not be logged in? Oh, right. I need CD drivers. Blah 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 this. Alright. Now. Because currently this does not understand what the fuck a CD is. You actually delete that. No. Now I go to A. Right, I need to go connect it. Retry. A. I'm gonna exit this first. Alt F4. Exit. It's install. Proceeding. MSCDX. And that should give it the banana. Well, it's gonna be called banana because that's what VMware calls it, I think, or that's what MSCDX decides it is. Whatever. This is actually a thing that you needed back in the days of DOS. Get CD drives working. Completely install. Okay, thank you. Now, Control-Alt-Shift-Delete. I should probably eject the disk. Control-Alt-Shift-Delete. There. NEC VMware. Alright, so Alt-A, Alt-FX, D:/. Right. C:/win. I'm a wiener. Whatever, I'm not gonna make that joke ever again. Yeah, setup.exe, please. Program must be run in DOS mode. Alright. I'll open a DOS prompt. I cannot run a DOS prompt. Why, this thing only has like 500 megs of RAM. Alright, so setup. This program cannot be run in DOS mode. Okay, so I need to be on Windows 3.1. Good to know. Now, Windows 3.1, disk 01. It's all from 96, so just type it in. Welcome back to Windows. Hey, oh wait. Stupid me is stupid. I always forget to do that. Retry. A. Scroll to find setup. Or just click on setup. There's a newer version. Okay, except you're the newer version. Yeah, I don't care. You are the newer version when 3.1. Just go over to setup. Enter. 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 Yeah. Disk 2. Windows setup. Alright, now I get a name. I'm not crazy. I don't have a company. Alright, now I'm gonna go hit disk 3. Disk 4. Disk 5. And hopefully we don't need disk 6. We needed disk 6. I hate doing this. Lano 95 will be switching to using CD drive. If I could do the same on Windows 3.11, I would. No printer! Now, remove any and all floppy disks from your drives. Remove any and all floppy drives from your computer, because you will never need them again. Just kidding. And even then, I have, I need to grab something, X95 CPU. I know I need this. Because I have used 95 in VM before. Now, all I need is the IMA. So that's all I will get. So now I fix 95 CPU.ima. Now, win. Now I'm Windows 3.1. Now to just go download 3.11. From Quebec, Canada. Now, this is the second time I made that joke, but Canadians, the few and far between that you are, don't yell at me. There's a man on the internet who can say Canada however the fuck he wants. So I will say Canada, and there is nothing you can do about it. A. Right. See? I always forget. Okay, thank you for actually telling me the issue instead of just saying you need a newer version. Setup. Enter. C. Enter. 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 Disk 2. This should be the final time I ever need to do this shit. Except for fix 95 CPU. That'll be the last floppy drive usage. But it'll be a Windows 10 VM with a floppy drive because, well, well, everything from DOS 5 to Windows 3.11 needed a floppy drive. Hey, look, the same window. I already put my name in. It's gonna be a very common issue. I would like all components, please. Permanent. Only recognizes the have 40 megs. Actually, wait, that was 40,000 kilobytes. That might actually be 40 gigs that it recognizes there as a Windows 3.11 VM. That's actually kind of scary. Okay, so once I'm done with this, I will install VMware Tools. So I know they exist. Okay, so I need disk 5. Okay. VM, removal devices, floppy, disconnect, restart. And hey, we boot right to Windows. Now I'm gonna immediately go to File Manager. Go to D. Run setup. Good job. You allow VMware Tools, and yet it doesn't work. Whatever, I'm gonna be installing Windows 95 next anyway. But I should be able to go into Games, Reversi. And I can also play Solitaire if I wanted. Maybe slow Solitaire, but it's still Solitaire. Just a classic game. I definitely am not extremely lucky. One and 2, which means this one is perfectly fine. And any of these. So we got 2, 2. We got a 2, a 2. Just gonna click. That was on easy mode. At least I got 2 of them right. Whatever. I'm not good at Minesweeper. That I will admit. But let's keep the clock in the corner. Same corner it's actually in Windows 11. Well, Windows everything past this version. Alright, now to here. Back to release. Windows 95. I'm going to skip all the way to OSR 2.5 because I cannot be bothered to install all of those revisions. Actually, wait, I might go with 2.1 because that bundles IE4 and the Webby desktop. Now, because this is slightly bigger and my internet is fucking slow, it's gonna take a while to download. So where the fuck is Diamond Paper? He said he'd be right back. He's been AFK for quite a while. Hooray, I get to do this shit. Toss that there. No. Close. Open that. Now, all I need to do, because I know it actually doesn't boot off of anything that isn't bootable with the CD DVD. So watch, I pull up this Windows 95 ISO. It probably overrided my disk selection. Step now performing a routine check. Sure. Um, I always call my friends idiot. Yeah, slight issue there. There is no fucking upgrade version. Okay, I'm just gonna skip going to OSR 2.1. Let's see if I can just go to OSR 2. Is there an upgrade version? Nope. How about OSR 1? Well, that requires a redump. I don't have an official copy. So I have to go all the way back to fucking the retail version. I'm just gonna go straight to 98. It's a lot easier. Because I can just retail upgrade. Account's gonna reset halfway through this install saga. Now go to Emmy. Just has screenshots of it crashing. Actually, nah, I'm gonna skip ME. 2000's more stable. Has a professional upgrade. That'll be the last of the things I can get off of here.
Hello!
Hi, Silica broke Blargbot.
What? How?
He added B sensor remove to the sensors. Basically, it's now impossible to remove sensors. So yeah, he's been demoted. And I think your mic immediately broke.
Hello?
Hi.
Okay.
You understand why I say we have to reset Blargbot now? It is physically impossible to remove sensors. Because of Silica. Doesn't work like that. Never mind, apparently it does. But Silica's remaining not a moderator because, yeah. Also, does your mic keep breaking or something?
Discord is breaking on my end.
Yeah, but I fixed it because apparently B sensor delete exists. I think Silica didn't know about that. But, don't promote him back.
I know exactly what to do.
What are you gonna do? Actually, why do I feel slightly scared?
Oh, I hope that didn't break the bot like this. Let's see it. See if it works.
Check that. Okay, you definitely put that in.
Oh, dang it. Didn't work for you. B sensor add B sensor.
Yeah, so you can't censor the remove command.
Anymore.
Yeah, but also Silica's been demoted.
Why you can't do it anymore. So
Yes, but also he shouldn't have done it in the first place. And I had immediately removed one of his sensors because he had tried to block HTTP.
what for?
I don't fucking know. He just did it for no reason.
What's
Literally
the
just the
message logger
word
broke?
HTTP.
Message logger broke?
Yeah,
Oh,
Message
maybe I
Logger
just
is one of the
broke.
many plugins that are broken right now. every plugin's broken right now. Did you forget?
My entire Discord just broke, so I had
Nice.
to uninstall it.
But yeah, every plugin is broken. I don't want to save the system files. Custom. Name's accurate. CD key. Oh wait. This is Windows 95.
Why?
I completely forgot about that. This is Windows 95. I could just hold one. Yeah, I've never
I'm just
connected a
asking him.
SIM card.
I'm just asking Silico why he did that. I censored B sensor add, B sensor remove.
It's been demoted anyway.
B sensor add, B sensor remove. I did that. The developers should actually change their bot so that command doesn't work. You can't do that.
So you can't put B sensor in the sensors.
Well, yeah. I would fix that immediately. That's a bug. Is there a bug report system on their site? I'm just gonna report that as a bug on their site.
There's probably is. You know what I just realized? If Silica wanted to be destructive, he could have just put B
Wait, there's a
sensor
source
at B
code?
sensor.
Hey, the source code is available. So it's
Nice.
in TypeScript. So we can make our own blog bot.
Or we could steal the code for Blarbot and put it into your bot.
Yeah. Wanna do that?
If anything, I'd say put it into AdVolt. But that's your bot,
AdVolt?
so
Depending what language it's in.
yeah.
It's in TypeScript, so
Figure out a way to convert that to JavaScript.
it's in Node.js.
That's technically a form of
Great.
JavaScript.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to quit setup. I would like literally fucking everything, please.
Is this a web page? Index.ts.
There, now I have everything.
It
Alright, so I'm gonna set the primary thing to Windows log on. It's not a dial-up. It's a AMD PC net family. Don't ask how I know exactly which adapter this uses. DOS 5 to Win 10. There. And because it's literally everything, I want the Windows 3.1 Program Manager. Oh yes, one very glitchy drum set. I'll probably end up making a...
I want to make a function
What the
that
fuck?
will disable a function.
Hey, wait a minute.
What?
Look at my screen share. What's it trying to copy files from? The thing's on drive D, not drive C. I don't know what the
It's doing
fuck
it
it was
anyway.
trying to copy.
But the thing just gives you an error, but it does it anyway.
Yeah, I guess. Because it doesn't expect to be unable to read from Drive C, even though Drive C isn't, like, unreadable. It's a fucking virtual disk. It's on a hard drive that if it couldn't read from that, I would know very quickly. Glad it's Friday.
Is your computer on 22H2?
Yes, it is. They pushed the update to me.
We're not to my damn laptop yet.
Yeah, whatever. Reinstall your Windows on your laptop.
Yeah, the
Or
camera's
force
kind
the
of
upgrade.
broken on that. Well, how do you force the upgrade?
By downloading the ISO and running it from the ISO. But even then, if the camera's broken, I would just reinstall.
I tried uninstalling the camera driver, it did nothing.
Just reinstall Windows.
Well, I can't do that right now because my sister's using it, but yeah.
Why is she always using your laptop? Oh, right, because hers is broken and you can't afford the part, you need to fix it.
Yes, and she doesn't want it anymore.
What the fuck?
She wants a completely new one. Because the laptop she had was a potato.
I was able to
And
deal with mine without constantly asking for a new one.
she likes a game that can't run on potatoes.
Wow, what a surprise. She's picky.
Alright, I'm gonna try and get something for her. Don't know which one
So
though.
basically, either way, your computer is just not going to be allowed to work anymore. She doesn't want it.
Well,
You can't afford
I
the
can
part.
make it work.
You can't afford the part that you need for it. And she doesn't want it anymore. If you end up getting that part, just...
How the hell is this a TLD?
I already know with this Windows 95, that Windows protection error, I know just continue to reboot until it doesn't give you it anymore. Thanks, Drago1, for teaching me that one.
Can you send me an over for that? Because I could not get it working.
Hmm?
I could not get Windows 95 working on my computer.
Why
On the
not?
all 98. Because it failed to install multiple times.
That doesn't seem like my problem. Try again. You reinstalled Windows, remember?
Here's a download a link for an ISO.
It's on WinWorld.
I want to make a WinMo clone.
That would get you in some trouble.
Ow.
Even though Windows is abandonware, I'm pretty sure everyone's going to stick with WinWorld. And I'm very sure Microsoft would come after the small guys, not the giant WinWorld, who everyone trusts more than Microsoft for stuff like that. Because, for all we know, Microsoft could just decide to, I don't know, delete Windows 95 from everywhere. Or worse. Alright, this needs to be IMA. Because it's an
Where's
IMA.
where's the downloads?
There's what downloads?
By typified Apple Macs.
I forgot to connect floppy. If this doesn't work, I have a thing I need to do anyway. Okay. That should have fixed that. Because I've now done the fix 95 CPU. Okay. Told you. The error during setup meant nothing. Not insecure, I just don't want a password on a VM. Because it's a VM, it's not going to have any personal identity. It's not going to have any personal information. Because, you know, it's a virtual machine running Windows fucking 95. Yes, keep the file. It's apparently newer than Windows 95 understands. Not newer than 95 understands, newer than 95's files.
What's
Probably
OS 2?
OS 2 is an OS IBM worked with Microsoft on. There we go, Mountainside.
They don't have Mac OS.
Well, you have to use Sheep Shaper for the versions they have. WinRoll's only going with the versions that aren't gonna get them fucking copyright strikes.
Where's Windows 7 and Windows?
Like I said, only the ones that won't get them fucking copyright strikes. They cover up to Windows not 2000. Nothing further than 2000 except for the betas of Whistler and Longhorn.
What about Ubuntu?
They only have
Oh.
4.10. WinWorld has
We
the old
already-
stuff. Everything else you get off archive.org or the official websites. Try Windows 95. Probably work better now you've reset your Windows install. So why is this so painful? And to reboot the VM in the middle of the out-of-box experience. Because the inbox setup wizard is fucking stupid. Yeah, you aren't gonna find the newest version on... You aren't gonna find the newest version on there anyway.
Mac OS.
Why do you want... Diamond Creeper, I've already told you this. You cannot run macOS on your computer.
I can on the Windows server.
Yes, but that's a server that's already having a hard enough time existing as it is. You forget you have a Space Invader server that uses 95% of the fucking CPU. It's also 16 gigs.
I can done 16 gigs.
Look, just don't do Mac OS, okay? You're gonna end up breaking the Windows server if you do that.
What about the second Windows server?
That would be even worse. It doesn't have enough RAM to support it anyway. Restart. Can I please skip the out-of-box experience windows? With the inbox setup. I don't give a fuck about the inbox setup wizard. Hey, there's audio. Looks like I skipped the out-of-box experience. Thanks, Windows. So, I should be logged in as me. I need to up the video and regular RAM on this. I also need to install tools. VMware tools time. Or it'll just crash kernel 32. That works too. I'm just going to go update the VM type. Power off. Power off.
Oh, what? I'll try Hackintosh then.
What, making a fucking regular computer into a Mac? Hackintosh is just Mac OS, and again, it requires an Intel.
I think Hackintosh will work on Ryzen because I'm looking at this.
That's just a forum that has like 15 different questions that show that's just like the same thing. It's just 15 different questions somewhat related to what you asked. First of all, that's Catalina, and also, are you seriously going to replace or dual boot your Windows with Mac OS?
Can this be run VMware?
It's not technically Hackintoshing if you're running it on fucking VMware.
But I don't actually want to.
Okay, then
Hackintosh. I just
don't do
wanna.
fucking Mac OS. If you don't want a Hackintosh, then don't do Mac OS. And even then, you would still need a Mac to be able to do that.
Oh yeah.
So you seriously do not know how hard I face bombed after you said, "Can I do this in VMware?" Like, you do not want to know how hard I face bombed. I managed to get it to understand audio. I'm not sure I managed to get to understand networking. Humidity 90%. Oh great, this shit reconnected. No, I'd like to reboot. I would much prefer to reboot.
This site's always under maintenance.
Oh god. Hey look, Windows 95 is back up. Thanks. Close that.
There's finally. But this is just an installer. There's no ISO. It's just replacing operating system in Y11.
I don't know. Why do you think I would know?
Oh my god. Microsoft should actually do that. Microsoft should actually do this. Do you
What,
think?
update the fucking installer screen to the first time in 25 years?
Yes.
There.
Mm.
I just installed the MSI installer on Windows 95, thus skipping the need for setup.exe. Yeah, I can install the SVGA driver manually. I had to do that before anyway. Cancel, right click, properties, device manager, display adapters, got this, properties, driver, change driver, show all, see if VMware's in here. Nope, have disk, browse, see, program 1, VMware 1, drivers, video, vmxxvga.inf. Okay, 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 yes. There. Rebooting Windows 95 with drivers. That was surprisingly painful for installing VMware tools, which is always the simplest stage of an install. I'd use an older SVGA to use the variable. What the fuck do you mean? I'll just manually change the fucking resolution because it's actually no, I know how to. Know how to get it to change by doing that. Nope, I will go and manually change it. It's not. Take your VMware SVGA 2. Man needs more conventional memory. Am I already using the entire 500 megs of RAM I gave it? Oh god, you're installing WSL. What the hell is
Austin of
wrong with you?
WSL.
What the hell is wrong with you?
What is wrong with this? What is wrong with it?
There's nothing wrong with installing WSL. But if you don't have a reason... Yeah, it's Ubuntu. Why? That's my only question. Why?
Because I want Windows and Linux.
Oh my fucking god. Oh god, it's
Does that
using
mean I
way too much
can?
memory.
Does that mean I can run Linux programs on Windows?
Technically?
So I can install Docker using Linux on Linux.
It's
On my
not a good
Windows computer.
idea.
I don't even want Docker anymore. Yeah.
It
What would
is.
happen if
Fuck
I
you.
try? What would happen if I tried to install a desktop environment?
You'd end up with a desktop environment.
Well, would that change the Windows desktop environment or not?
You think I know?
Change the Linux distribution installed. Oh, that's interesting. Now when it's the system for Android.
Requires more conventional memory. I imagine it stopped loading high mem. It's got
I don't know why
480
I
megs.
can't. Why can't I get?
Whatever, I'm just gonna install 98 because this shit's being broken.
Oh, it didn't work.
Control Alt. I can hear it yelling about just the fact that it doesn't have 25 terabytes of RAM. Apparently command.com needs infinite memory. Like command.com should only need like 15 megs. And it has 400 megs. But nope, that's enough. That's not enough. I don't know what's wrong with this 95 install. All I know is I'm not going to deal with that any longer. Thanks for the support, friends. Oh god. MS-DOS based things are running. I'm
No,
gonna
I
go
don't have that, you
uninstall
dummy.
that. I see 3 commands running. Alright. Kill all the VMware things. This should all be fixed when I get into Windows 98. I will be uninstalling that shit. You're supposed to be using Windows Terminal. Supposed to be using Windows Terminal. Because, you know, that's what Microsoft wants you to use.
Then why don't they hide the app from start?
You probably
Well,
uninstalled it. Which, yeah, that would very much be your fault.
What?
You probably uninstalled fucking Windows terminal.
No, no. I'm doing.
And before you say, yeah, just open that and use that instead, because that's what you're supposed to fucking use.
The hell?
Uh-huh.
No. Download. Get it.
I don't have any valid fucking product keys.
Oh, I can't download anything. I've got to risk it anymore from Chrome.
Oh, what a surprise. You can't run any of these things.
Hmm?
You can't run shit.
What do you mean?
Because you're running AMD, you can't run shit.
Do I need Windows ARM first?
No, you just need to not have a fucking AMD.
There's an option to disable that.
Option to disable what?
Integer content downloads. How do you do that? Settings.
It's a site settings thing.
Settings. Okay.